Hey there, it's Tony from Hinge Outlet with another video to show all of the do-it-yourselfers out there how to get your project done the right way. All right, the tools you're going to need to install a hinge pin doorstop is a hammer. Again, our pin popper hinge pin removal tool works great for this. And your hinge pin doorstop, of course. Thanks for watching. For more tips, techniques, and information on these products, please visit us at hingeoutlet.com.